Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will not be shown methods to bypass or spoof hardware identifiers. Instead, start by collecting evidence, screenshots, receipts, and relevant timestamps. Once done, read the platform's ban policy to match the stated violation. Make sure to note whether the ban is temporary or permanent and the exact wording used. You should prepare a concise appeal that explains what happened, provides proof of ownership, and requests review. This protects your rights without breaking rules. You need to file an official appeal through the game or service support portal, follow their specified format, and include your gathered evidence. Once done, describe the corrective actions you took, such as removing third-party tools, running antivirus scans, and securing the account with 2FA. Make sure to offer cooperation, including sharing logs or system reports if requested. Use calm, factual language and avoid accusations. A cooperative tone increases the chance of a favorable review. You should patiently await the support team's response and follow any requested diagnostics. Once done, escalate politely to a higher support tier or use consumer protection channels if you receive no reply within published timelines. Make sure to explore legitimate remedies such as account recovery, refunds, or authorized hardware replacement if the provider permits. If appeals are denied, you can review the terms of service and consider formal dispute resolution or legal advice rather than attempting to bypass restrictions, which risks further penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.